Hi, how do you report on your content optimization efforts? Do you only report on the total number of visits from organic search traffic? Or do you really explain to your clients what impact content optimizations had? Today I'm going to build a Google Data Scheduler dashboard that will help us figure out the impact of your content optimization. Here you can find the dashboard that we are going to build. You can see a list of optimized web pages and their clicks and impressions within Google. And you can also see the search keywords people use to get to these pages. And you can follow the evolution to the graph. Here you can find a list of optimized web pages which I keep in Google Sheets. So you can, if you update a web page or create a new one, add it to the list with the date and the author, and then in the dashboard we want to track how these pages evolve. I will go to Google Data Scheduler and add a new report. And I will add the Google Sheets as a data source, so I select the correct sheet and the correct tab. And now we already can see the list of pages, but of course we need to connect this with Google Search Console data to follow up the results of these pages. So now I'm going to add the Google Search Console data. And now I want to create a blend between these two data sources. So I will add a blend and I select the Google Sheet with the optimized web pages and I select the Google Search Console data source. And I want to join these two data sources on the web page. But you see there's a problem because here you can see that the web page it's a link and here it's a text field. So I first need to edit the Google Search Console data source. I will turn this landing page to a link. So now we have done that, I can now create the blend. And I will use an inner zone, and this means that we will only select the pages that are available both in the Google Sheet and in the Google Search Console data. I will also add the other fields which we may use in the dashboard later on. And I will give my blend a new name, web page blend. And I will save this. And now I can see if I can already select it. Yes, here I can select web page blend. Instead of the record count, I'm going to show the amount of clicks and the amount of impressions. And of course we want to know the evolution, so I use a comparison date range. And now I will also select a date planner. And I will add the author field and also the date where I did updated the page. And now we are going to make this look a bit better by resizing the columns. And so now we can already follow up the results, and as you see I updated it on September 17, so I'm going to compare it starting from September 17 until the current period, and we can already see some positive evolution the last 7 days. And now I have the list of web pages. We also would like to add the keywords people actually use to find these web pages, and if we can find any evolution there. So I copy paste page, and here I will select the search query. So now we got the list of keywords which we can find on this page. I will select the first 10 keywords, and now we can also follow up the evolution of clicks and impressions by keyword. And I'm going to remove the author and the date. Then I will select the average position as metric, so we can also follow up the position, but of course we have to take the average. And I will also fit it to the data to look better. And actually if the average position is in red, it's actually a good thing, because if you move from position 5 to position 3, then you are losing in real numbers, because 3 is lower than 5, but of course you want to become better, so it can be a bit confusing. But you see that, yeah, generally we are actually doing better at most of the keywords. And now there's a last graph I will add, and I will make some more room for it. And this will be the clicks and impressions by day within a time series. I have to select the date field out of Google Search Console instead of the Google Sheet, and here I will select the amount of clicks and the amount of impressions. And you can use a right axis. So now you can follow clicks and impressions on these pages, and you see in Google Search Console for the last 2 days we didn't have any data yet, so there's a bit of delay in Google Search Console data. But anyway, you now can prove to the client your optimization did work on a page and keyword level instead of just reporting a broad number of organic search traffic. So this was my data studio trick for today. I hope you now know how to prove your content optimization did actually work to your client, but of course you can also find insights for yourself. And for additional tricks, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Twitter or LinkedIn. Thanks for your attention.